Hey guys, what is up? Here's my 3090 rig with one 3080 in here somewhere, and it was making this really weird noise. And I looked at all the fans, and one of them looked like it was spinning a little slower than the other. Listen to this. Can you hear that? There's a crazy clicking sound when that thing spins. Here's how they should spin. And this guy looks like I need to order a new fan for my Strix 3090. One more thing to do, I guess. Every day is an adventure when you're mining. Gotta keep an eye on these things. You never know what's gonna happen. Take it easy, guys.